Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update. And in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Matic chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding above this ascending trend line, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up, where we could possibly see a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.6227 mark. And a break above it, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and zooming out to give you my Elliot analysis, you can first see that after on the 10th of June we saw this massive crash in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.52 mark. Then afterwards we have been seeing a very nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we first saw this 1-2 setup to the upside, having the second wave fully maximizing minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And after putting in place the low for that second wave, I now believe we are seeing another 1-2 setup where we have now peaked in that first wave, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has also managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to that high at around the $0.7105 mark, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is between the $0.6364 mark and the $0.5941 mark. And it is within this blue target area that I'm expecting Matic to give us the low for this second wave, give us a reaction of this target area, and start an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So there are high chances that in case we continue holding above the ascending trend line and also see a reaction of this target area, see a break above resistance, get successful retest before we can continue gearing up, and also see a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.71 mark, then there are high chances that Matic is going to continue gearing up and also give us a high in the formation of that wave 3. And for me to give you minimum target areas for the third wave, I need confirmations that the low for the second wave is in and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started. And for me to get enough confirmations, I need to see a break above significant highs and also see maybe a 5-wave structure also playing out on the charts. Once we see such a movement on the charts, then I can be able to give you minimum target areas for that third wave to the upper side. And I believe that at some point Matic is going to complete a 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure here on the lower time frames. And once we see such a movement, then that will be aligning with what I have been expecting on the long-term point of view here on the Matic chart, where that movement is better seen on the 1-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, you can see that last year in June, we got a low at around the $0.3 mark. Then we started a very nice 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 in a move that fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that the low is in, and soon we can expect the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And once you see a 5-wave structure on the charts followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant areas of resistances, then that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of this wave 3 has now started. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Matic chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 37 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.